this video, we're going to start taking a look at exponent properties and how we can simplify expressions using these properties. The first property we're going to look at is when we multiply two bases that are the same and what we can do with those exponents. If we look at this first part, we've got a cubed here, and an exponent simply means repeated multiplication. That means a is multiplied 3 times. The second part, a squared, means we are multiplying by a 2 times. Which means as a total here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a's total, or a to the 5th, that are multiplied together. Now, what we want to do is be able to do this process a lot quicker. And you might notice the pattern that if I had just looked at the exponents of 3 and 2, I should have had a good idea there were 5 total. How did we get that? We simply add 2 plus 3 to get the 5 as an exponent. This is the product rule, where if we have the same base, we simply will add the exponents. So the exponents here, m and n, m plus n. So if we had an example like 2x cubed, 4x squared times negative 3x, we can combine things together by multiplying the bases, and as we do, add any exponents. The bases, at least the numbers, 2 times 4 times negative 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. And then on the x's, we will add the exponents. There's 3 here. There's 2 here. Don't forget there's 1 over here at the end. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, there's a total of 6 x's that are multiplied together. This expression simplifies to negative 24 x to the 6th. Let's try one with several variables in it. 5a cubed b to the 7th times 2a to the 9th b squared c to the 4th. Multiplying the numbers, 5 times 2 is 10. And then we'll look at each variable. On the a's, there's 3 here and 9 here. Add those together, we get a total of 12. For the b's, there's 7 here and 2 here. Let's add those together to get a total of 9. And finally, on the c's, you just have the c to the 4th. And so for our final simplified result, we have 10 a to the 12th, b to the 9th, c to the 4th. When we have the same base multiplied together, we will add the exponents. This is the product rule.